As a homeowner in Nampa, Idaho, you know that the climate can be unpredictable. Whether it's the chilly winters, hot summers, or the occasional cold snap, managing your home's temperature can be a challenge. One of the most effective ways to improve comfort and reduce energy costs is by installing energy-efficient windows and doors. These upgrades not only boost your home's energy efficiency but also provide long-term benefits that make them a smart investment. Here are the top reasons why installing energy-efficient windows and doors in Nampa is a great choice for homeowners. Lower energy bills. One of the primary benefits of energy-efficient windows and doors is the reduction in energy bills. Nampa experiences a variety of temperature extremes, with cold winters and hot summers. This means that heating and cooling your home can make up a significant portion of your monthly energy costs. Traditional windows and doors, especially older ones, are prone to air leaks and poor insulation, causing heat to escape in winter and enter during the summer. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed with advanced features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled spaces that help insulate your home. These features prevent heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. By reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems, you can lower your energy consumption and see a noticeable decrease in your utility bills. Many homeowners in Nampa report savings of 10% to 25% on their energy bills after installing energy-efficient windows and doors. Improved comfort year-round. Installing energy-efficient windows and doors isn't just about saving money, it's also about making your home more comfortable. In Nampa, extreme temperatures can cause discomfort indoors, especially if your windows and doors are outdated or poorly insulated. With energy-efficient options, you can enjoy a more consistent temperature throughout your home, no matter the season. These windows and doors work by minimizing drafts and reducing temperature fluctuations. Whether it's a freezing winter evening or a scorching summer afternoon, energy-efficient windows and doors maintain a steady indoor environment, preventing cold spots and hot areas. This helps create a more comfortable living space where you won't have to constantly adjust the thermostat to stay comfortable. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a growing city like Nampa means dealing with noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction. While you may not be able to control external noise, you can minimize its impact on your home's interior by installing energy-efficient windows and doors. Many energy-efficient models come with soundproofing features, such as multiple panes of glass and laminated coatings, which help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want to create a quieter, more peaceful environment, energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly reduce noise levels, allowing you to enjoy a calmer and more private space. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly increase the value of your home. Home buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient features, and windows and doors are some of the most sought-after upgrades. By installing energy-efficient windows and doors, you're making your home more attractive to potential buyers and increasing its resale value. In addition to boosting your home's value, these upgrades can also improve its curb appeal. New windows and doors, especially those with modern designs and finishes, can enhance the overall aesthetic of your home, giving it a fresh, updated look. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to improve its appearance, energy-efficient windows and doors are an investment that pays off. UV protection and preservation of interiors. The strong sunlight in Nampa can be harsh on your home's interiors. UV rays can cause furniture, flooring, artwork, and fabrics to fade over time, leading to the need for costly replacements. Fortunately, many energy-efficient windows and doors come with special coatings that block up to 99% of harmful UV rays. By reducing UV exposure, energy-efficient windows and doors help protect your home's interior, preserving the color and quality of your furniture, rugs, and artwork. This added protection not only saves you money on replacements but also helps keep your home looking fresh and new for longer. It's an easy and effective way to safeguard your home's interior without additional costs. Environmental benefits. As more homeowners become eco-conscious, installing energy-efficient windows and doors is a great way to reduce your environmental impact. Energy-efficient products reduce the amount of energy your home consumes, which in turn decreases your reliance on fossil fuels and helps lower greenhouse gas emissions. This makes your home more sustainable and reduces your carbon footprint. By choosing energy-efficient windows and doors, you're contributing to a greener planet while also benefiting from long-term savings. If you're passionate about making environmentally responsible choices, upgrading your windows and doors is a simple yet effective step you can take. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors in Nampa is a smart investment that delivers both short-term and long-term benefits. From lowering your energy bills and increasing home comfort to improving your home's value and reducing environmental impact, the advantages are clear. Whether you're looking to save on utility costs, enhance your living space, or make your home more attractive to future buyers, energy-efficient windows and doors are a practical and valuable upgrade. If you're ready to experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows and doors in your Nampa home, reach out to a local window and door expert to explore your options. With the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly home for years to come.